welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you the review of Blue Heaven Elegance Liquid Matte Lipstick, and in this video I've tried to create this beautiful nude look using the lipstick. So if you're interested, please keep watching the video. So I'm gonna start with a clean moisturized face, and then I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Rose Primer Plus Setting Spray to prime my skin. This is a very hydrating primer, guys, and I'm gonna let it dry. Now I have my pores blurred out, but I still have a lot of pores showing off. So I'm gonna be using this Lakme Absolute Primer to blur my skin. I'm going to take a little bit on my hand. As you can see, it's a very creamy texture, and I'm going to focus on the areas where I have large pores, especially around my T-zone, and then I'm going to be applying it all over that area and applying it really well on my skin. This really helps blurring out all the pores and also smoothens the skin to give that beautiful texture for your foundation to be applied on later. Now I have a well moisturized and primed face, and then I'm gonna be using my favorite Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Ivory and take a little bit on my palm. To apply the foundation, I'm not gonna be using a beauty blender or a brush today. Instead, I'm gonna be using my fingertips to apply it all over my face, and using this dotting motion I'm applying all the foundation on my face, and I'm covering my neck also, and I'm using my hands to blend it really well. This way the foundation looks very much like my skin, and the warmth of my hands blends them really well onto my skin. Now I have a perfect base here, and now I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm gonna be dotting it under my eyes. I do not have a lot of dark circles yet. I like to highlight my face a little bit, so I'm gonna be using the concealer in this way, dotting it all over the high points of my face, and then using this blending brush I am buffing the concealer on my face really well. Using the same brush, I'm blending everything in really well so that it does not look streaky and it blends in really well in my skin. And now I'm going to be using the Fit Me Compact and a brush to set my whole face, and I am using this buffing motion all over my face to set the powder in place so it does not crack or look streaky afterwards. And now it's time for eyebrows, guys. Now I'm filling in my eyebrows really precisely so that it does not look blocky, and then I'm going to be brushing them all the way through so that it looks more natural. Doing it this way makes a huge difference, guys. And now I'm going to be using this mini eyeshadow palette by LA Colors, and I'm going to be using these two natural warm shades to cover my eyelids, and here I'm blending the shade into my lids using this wiper shield motion, and I'm going to blend it really well into my skin. I'm using very light motions here. You can see how I am holding the brush here. Now I'm using these two darker shades to create a crease, and I'm going to darken it a little bit on the outer corners of my eyes and then extending it till my inner crease as well. And as you can see, I'm blending both the colors together. And now using the Swiss Beauty Winky palette, guys, this is my favorite palette, and from this palette I'm going to be using this mauve shade to cover my eyelids. And as you can see, this is a heavily pigmented eyeshadow. As you can see, as you apply it, it gets really pigmented, so make sure you use lighter motions. And as you can see, this has really intensified the look, and it looks so beautiful, and there's no fallout or anything on the cheeks. So I really love this palette, guys. Now using this blending brush by Real Techniques, I'm blending in all the colors together so that it does not have any harsh edges. Now I'm going to be using this liquid highlighter by Swiss Beauty again, and using this precise pencil brush I am applying it onto my inner corners. And then I'm going to be spreading the same color all over my lower lids as well. And now I'm going to be using this Sugar contour palette, and using this I'm going to be contouring my face, and using this contouring brush I'm taking this contour from the palette to contour my cheekbones, and making a fish face I am contouring my cheeks here. As you can see, I'm using very light motions because this palette is heavily pigmented. You make sure that you cover your jawline as well. Also onto my forehead, I like to do it this way so that it gives a more sculpted look. Now I'm going to be using the same palette and taking the blush from the palette and then applying it onto my cheeks so that I do not look worn out and it gives a little bit of color onto my face. Now I'm going to be tightlining my lids using this Lakme liquid liner, and I really love this liner, guys. It's really pigmented and nice. Now I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty blush highlighter, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade to highlight my cheeks, and I'm going to be using it onto my nose bridge as well, and also on my forehead. I'm going to be patting a little bit on my nose here, and then on my forehead wherever the light hit. It's really subtle and nice. It also a little bit on my cupid bow, and to complete the look I'm going to be using the lipstick here. And as you can see, it has this large doe foot applicator, and it is in the shade pink, or as you can say nude. I'm going to be finishing off my lips with this lipstick, and as you can see, it just makes a whole lot of difference. It's a perfect shade for daytime. Also, I love this lipstick because it does not crease and is very mild on the lips. I love this look because it's really beautiful for an evening or a daytime look.
So this liquid lipstick is in the shade 011. Also for darker skin beauties, I would recommend not to go for this particular shade because it can be a little light for your skin tone. So rather going for this, you can go for the shade 07, which is a mix of red and brown and gives out this really beautiful nude brown for darker skin tone.
This liquid lipstick retails for 105 rupees, and on sale I got it for only 95 rupees. I will leave the purchase link in the description box. Do check it out.
So guys, I hope you like this video, and for more such simple and easy makeup looks, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I share with you the amazing and most affordable makeup products for your sensitive skin, and I also share with you skincare tips for acne prone and oily skin. So do subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Also guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. See you next time.